Are you preparing for the IELTS exam? Want to boost your speaking and writing scores instantly? In today's video, you will learn some must-know vocabulary that will help you sound fluent, confident, and more academic, exactly what examiners want to hear. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we will help you learn English in a simple and practical way. Let's get started. Section 1. Why vocabulary matters in IELTS. Your vocabulary makes up 25% of your total IELTS score in both speaking and writing. If you use basic words like good, bad, very big, very important, your score stays low. But if you use precise, natural, and academic vocabulary, your score jumps. So today, we are giving you the most powerful vocabulary used by high band scorers. Section 2. High scoring words for IELTS speaking. 1. Instead of very important, use crucial or essential. It's crucial to exercise regularly. Technology plays an essential role in education. 2. Instead of very big, use massive. There's a massive difference between rural and urban lifestyles. 3. Instead of very good, use excellent, outstanding. The museum was outstanding, I learned so much. 4. Instead of very bad, use terrible, awful. The traffic in my city is terrible during peak hours. 5. Instead of I think, use I believe, in my opinion. I believe children learn better through practical activities. 6. Instead of a lot of, use a great deal of, numerous. Numerous factors influence global warming. 7. Instead of hard, use challenging. Learning a new language can be challenging but enjoyable. Section 3. Must know academic vocabulary for writing task 2. These words help your essay sound formal and professional. 1. Significant, important, big impact. There has been a significant increase in online learning. 2. Consequently, result, therefore. People rely on cars, consequently, pollution levels rise. 3. Moreover, add strong point. Moreover, public transport is cheaper and eco-friendly. 4. However, contrast, opposite point. However, some people prefer private vehicles for convenience. 5. Individuals, formal word for people. Many individuals believe that health education should start early. 6. Impact, effect. Social media has a major impact on teenagers. 7. Address, solve a problem. Governments must address climate change urgently. 8. Implement, start a plan, policy. Schools should implement programs that promote physical activity. 9. Enhance, improve. Technology can enhance the quality of education. 10. Evaluate, assess, examine. It is important to evaluate both the benefits and drawbacks. Section 4. Fun practice activity. Let's practice. We will say a basic word, and you say the higher level IELTS word. Very important. A lot of, bad, people, help. Write your answers in the comments below, we will check them. Quick recap. Today, you learned powerful IELTS vocabulary for speaking and writing such as crucial, numerous, evaluate, implement, enhance, consequently, and many more. Now, tell us, which vocabulary word was your favorite today? Comment below. If you want more IELTS vocabulary, tips, and practice videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep improving.